Stop. If you're thinking about buying Perplex AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this AI tool is claiming to replace research tools, SEO writers, content creators, and even expensive monthly AI subscriptions. So the big question is Perplex AI actually a hidden AI gold mine, or just another overhyped launch product? Let's find out. And make sure you watch until the end. Because if you decide to get Perplex AI through my link below, I'm giving away 2 exclusive premium bonuses worth over $3,000 absolutely free. These bonuses are designed to help you actually make money with this tool. What is Perplex AI? Perplex AI is an advanced real-time AI research and content creation platform inspired by Perplexity AI technology. Instead of giving outdated answers like traditional AI tools, Perplex AI researches live web data in real time, discovers trends, summarizes information, and creates fresh SEO content instantly. You can use it for blog posts, SEO articles, YouTube scripts, research reports, viral content ideas, email marketing, market research, and much more. Benefits: why people are interested. Most AI tools are limited by outdated knowledge, but Perplex AI focuses on real-time web research, fresh information, trend discovery, faster content creation, and smarter SEO workflows. It also gives access to multiple powerful AI models like Sonar Large, Sonar Pro, Sonar Reasoning, GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, and Deep Research Mode. All inside one dashboard. So instead of paying for multiple subscriptions, you basically get an all-in-one AI research machine. Inside Perplex AI, you're getting real-time AI research engine, AI summarization tools, trend discovery system, SEO content generator, deep research mode, multi-model AI workspace, commercial license included. And honestly, the commercial license alone is powerful because you can use this for freelancing, client work, SEO agencies, content businesses, and keep 100% of the profits. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: real-time research is genuinely useful, beginner-friendly, saves huge time, multiple AI models in one place, no monthly fees, and great for SEO and content creators. Cons: requires internet connection, some advanced outputs still depend on your prompts, and heavy users may still prefer premium standalone AI tools. Results: what to expect. You can realistically use this to create SEO content faster, research trending topics instantly, build affiliate blogs, write YouTube scripts, offer AI research services, and scale content creation. Some users are even using it to create content agencies and freelance businesses. But remember, this tool gives you speed and leverage, you still need to execute. Now let's talk bonuses. If you grab Perplex AI through my link below, you'll get these exclusive bonuses free. Bonus 1, AI Authority Content System, value $1,497. Learn how to turn AI-generated content into authority-style blog posts, YouTube scripts, and affiliate articles that actually rank and convert. Bonus 2, Viral Traffic Domination Kit, value $1,997. Get my premium traffic strategies for YouTube growth, SEO traffic, viral trend targeting, combined value over $3,000 plus free today. So, is Perplex AI worth it? If you create content, do research, run an online business, or want faster AI-powered workflows, then yes, this is definitely worth checking out. Plus there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want to lock in the launch discount and claim all my bonuses, check the first link in the description right now before the price increases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.